You weren't taught this in school. The wealthy don't trade time for money. They build systems that pay them while they sleep. Today, I'm pulling back the curtain on 9 proven ways to generate passive income. Some of these have already made me millions. And if you're ready to stop trading hours for dollars, keep watching to the end. Number 1 passive income stream is actually creating a YouTube channel. Now, what you need to do is sit back, look at what people are actually searching for online, the problems that they have, and how you can provide a solution to them. And then, after you have done a research, sit down, begin to create videos consistently. Keep grinding up to 6 months. And then when you happen to have 4,000 watch hours accumulated on those videos that you've been posting, and then you happen to have 1,000 subscribers, you will be invited to join the YouTube partnership program. When you apply, those videos will begin to generate revenue for you. Depending on the RPM and CPM, you might be making $50, $20, $30, even $100 per 1,000 views from all the videos which are on your channel. You can sit back and relax. If you want, you could be sleeping, and anytime you happen to wake up, you find that you have earned some money. If you want some guidance on how to go about creating a YouTube channel and picking a niche which is likely to attract more viewers and more subscribers, then you can actually hit my inbox, and I'll be so glad to help you through this. The second passive income stream is affiliate marketing. Join programs like Amazon Associates or ClickBank. I, for one, I'm an affiliate of so many brands. I'm an affiliate of LivesBuy, I'm an affiliate of the itin.com, and what you only have to do is you market their services. You talk about their services, you talk about the products that they have in the video, and then you post it. You put your affiliate link in the description section, in the comment section. As people are clicking, these companies pay you. I have made thousands of dollars through affiliate marketing on YouTube, on Facebook, as well as TikTok. The third passive income stream is actually writing an ebook. Once published, you can sell the copies of that book for years or decades. You can promote your book through existing platforms like YouTube, Instagram, TikTok. Mention them. Number 4, passive income stream. Starting a podcast. Choose a niche that you're passionate about. There's no certification required for you to do this. Record episodes and upload to Spotify, Apple, or YouTube. Then begin to earn passively through sponsorships. Oftenly, you are paid for 1,000 views. And here's the thing. Episodes keep generating income indefinitely after going live. Passive income stream number 5, selling an online course. Here, what you need to do is you leverage your expertise. Here's what you need to do. Identify a high demand problem. Photography, coding, finance, bookkeeping. Then package your course in form of modules, videos, and worksheets, and then create an account on Teachable, Skillshare, or Udemy to host and sell. Once launched, course sells on autopilot with minimum updates needed. The 6th passive income stream is actually peer-to-peer lending. Here, you lend money to borrowers via platforms like Lending Club or Prosper. These platforms screen borrowers, they collect payments, and distribute monthly interests to you. These platforms have potential returns which range from 3% to 10% and 15% annually. What are the risks? The risks are that the borrowers might actually default, but all these are actually fully automated. The 7th passive income stream is membership communities. Here, all you have to do is build a subscription-based platform around a niche like fitness, writing, entrepreneurship, health. Mention them. Begin to offer tiered plans ranging from $5 to $220 plus. with perks like exclusive content, question and answers, coaching. So here's the thing, the platform will handle onboarding and your duty will just be monitoring discussion. And on top of that, you will be making monthly updates. Passive income number 8, that is real estate. You build as many mansions as you can. You can as well build shops wherein people can move in and they'll be paying you every month end. People might be there for years and you simply sit back, relax and continue collecting money. Passive income stream number 9, which is the last one, buying government bonds. You lend money to the government and the government will be lending money to those who need it. You will be getting your commissions every after a specified period of time. It could be every after 6 months, every after 3 months, depending on how much you've actually invested in the bonds. Now, listen, you don't need all these 9. All you have to do is pick one which fits your life. Pick the stream that excites you the most. Stocks if you want simplicity, YouTube if you love creating, or P2P lending if you want hands-off. Then take one action today. Open the account, film the first video, write the first page. Wealth isn't built by watching, it's built by starting. So comment below, which number are you going after first? Like, subscribe and share for more videos of this nature. I'll see you in the next one.